Y'all, we got the rain. Can y'all see that? We got the rain falling down. Like I said, the rain shall fall. Let the rain fall. I said the rain shall fall. Let the rain fall. Peace be with y'all. I just wanted to let y'all know that I didn't get struck by lightning. Someone just called my phone, so we lost connection. So that's what it was. That's why we got disconnected. But much love. Just getting this rain energy. It's water, letting it hit the face, letting it hit the skin. Feeling blessed by the presence that came over the ocean, Pacific. Yeah, the rain shall fall. Let the rain fall. I said the rain shall fall. Let the rain fall.